Hello class, we are going to start with the next topic, that is Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. So in the previous class we already have done one question on this particular topic, that was when the ranks are already given in the question and then you should be dealing it, and it's a next type of a question where the ranks are not given to you, then how you should be dealing with the question. So the question could be like, calculate coefficient of correlation between x and y by the method of rank differences. So here, as you can see, rank differences are written. So if rank differences are also written, that is clearly making the sense that you have to find the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. So up till here is our question, and from here you can see it is the solution part. So first of all, you will be making columns for x and then y, and you are going to rank them. So in the x column, the one value which is the highest one should be assigned the rank 1, and then below than that is 57, so it should be given second rank, and then 48 is there, then it should be given third rank, and fourth rank, fifth rank, sixth rank. But the question arises, if you have a value which has been repeated twice or thrice. So suppose 16 is the value which has been repeated how many times? 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. So it should be given ranks after that. 6 is our last number, then 7th, 8th and 9. And how you should be equally distributing the ranks, you can see 7, 8 and 9. It should be added. It should be taken the average of it, and the average is coming as 8. And 8 should be assigned to these 3 numbers. So 8 is here, 8 is here, 8 is here. So next value, whichever is left will be given the next rank. That means we already have assigned till 9th rank, and then you can see it is left 9. So it is given the rank 10. So this is how you should be doing it. Here also, as you can see, we have done in the same way, and this 13 number has been repeated twice, and it has been given rank 5 and rank 6, and the average of it is coming to be 5.5, so it is given like that way. And then next rank will be given 7. 7 should be given to the next number, that is 9. And here also we have two values which are coming in the same way, which has been repeated twice. That means 6 has been repeated twice, so it should be given rank 8 and 9, and average of it will be coming 8.5, 8.5, and next value will be given the 10th rank. That means the last one, that is 4, should be given the 10th rank. Then if you are done with these two columns, then we should be calculating the difference. So difference should be the rank differences. So 3 minus 5.5 and 5 minus 5.5, this is how we have found the differences. And next thing that you have to do is, next column that you are going to make is of squaring of the differences. The d that you have calculated, you have to square it like that way. So after squaring, these are the values, and here it is the summation of d square. So here what we have to note, the first thing that we have to note is summation of d square first. Second thing is n. N means how many pairs do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 pairs. And third thing that you have to note is how many values are there that have been repeated twice or thrice or multiple times. So 16 is one value that has been repeated thrice, and then 13 has been repeated twice, and 6 has been repeated twice. So these are the things that you have to note it down. After noting the things, then we should be putting the values in this particular formula. This is the formula that you are going to use for finding Spearman rank correlation coefficient. So this is the formula whereby D means differences of the rank of each pair of observation. We already have calculated, and N is the number of pairs, that was 10. M is number of times an item is repeated. So after this thing, you are going to put the values or substitute the values in the particular formula. So we have noted these similar things. N is equal to 10, summation d square is equal to 41, and 16 has been repeated 3 times, and 13 and 6 has been repeated twice. So how you should be dealing with this? D square is 41 plus 1 by 12 m cube. First of all, we have to make sure that m is the number of times an item has been repeated. That means 3 should be put over here. 3 cube minus 3. And second value is which has been repeated, that is 13 has been repeated twice. So m is repeated twice. That means 2 times you have to write it down. Then again the next value which has been repeated is 6. 6 has been repeated twice. So it should be written 2 cube minus 2. So substitution part is clear, and then already we have calculated, that is 10. So this is how you are going to substitute the values. So the major thing that you have to take care of is m. M means the number of times a value has been repeated, not the value. The number of times it has been repeated. So 3 cube, 2 cube and 2 cube. So after finding out, so this is the solution part, and as you can see, the rank correlation coefficient is coming to be 0.733.